case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In an impactful legal showdown, a former special investigator who exposed city corruption in the Village of Robbins had fought his wrongful termination and false arrest in a civil rights lawsuit known as Coleman v. Smith. Unveiling corruption within the ranks of the former mayor and chief of police, the investigator faced retaliation from those whose misdeeds he had uncovered. This daring act led to his termination and an unjust arrest, a blatant breach of his civil rights. The defendant's attorney's consistent failure to adhere to court orders saw the lower court granting a default judgment in favor of the investigator. In a stunning turn of events, the various motions filed by the defense for a new trial or a judgment notwithstanding the verdict were firmly denied. Upon facing the consequences of these actions, the defense appealed this decision. The village attorney's representation did not showcase a conflict of interest that could render the joint representation inappropriate. Examining intricacies of the judicial system, the court determined that despite their repugnant conduct, if the defendants were exercising their roles as the mayor and the chief of police during these incidents, they may still be indemnified. Despite initial resistance, the appellate court concluded that the village was liable for damages, having confirmed allegations against the former mayor and chief of police. The ruling clarified that even when an employee resorts to unscrupulous and ill-motivated methods within their job, they can be indemnified if the acts are related to their employment. This case thus set a precedent that saw the district court's judgment partially upheld and partially reversed, with each party shouldering their own costs of appeal. It provided a stipulation that actions, even if malicious, if taken within the scope of work, can be indemnified. This historical lawsuit not only vindicated a brave investigator, but also held a village accountable for the misconduct of its top officials.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.